What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do like a little experiment. We're gonna try and restore the rust. I have put primer so that way it wouldn't rust more. As you can see, it's all rusted on the fender. I looked up the prices for the fenders. It's not that expensive, but let's try something out. So we got the Quick Steel metal repair. Let's see how that works out. This was like $6. So let's see if it turns out to be great. Just a little experiment so we don't have to be welding or anything else. So in order to remove the rust or in the paint, so I bought this, the 3M. Removes rust. It goes into the drill. So let's see how it goes. So before anything, we need to get our safety gears. Get the respirator so we don't have to breathe in the rust. It could damage our lungs. Let's be on the safe side. So it's my first time using this. I don't know how it turned out, but let's hope it comes out good. So I think there's no saving this, but I'm gonna keep going. So the rust is pretty bad. I don't think this is manageable. But I'm still gonna put it on and see how good it is. Or if it bonds to the good metal. Let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I used a whole container. This is how it ended up. So it cures in 1 hour. So we'll be back in 1 hour. We're gonna try to sand it down a bit, make it more smooth, and see if it worked out. If not, we'll just buy the quarter panel. Shouldn't be that bad. Or should I just go wide body? What you think? Comment down below your opinion. Alright guys. So this is how it looks. Pretty hard. It's already dry. Let's see if I could sand it down. what you guys think. Is it worth it? Should I keep doing it for the other side too? Or should I just go wide body? Comment down below. Or comment down below what would you like to see happening to this car. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Or comment down below what else should I do for this Mustang.